Hey guys, so this afternoon we went to our favourite pet shop in the village. What's the pet shop called, Farah?
Paws and Claws.
Woo! Paws and Claws.
And what did you buy, Dave?
We buy Ralph some dog toys.
And Elmo.
There they are. As you can see, they're very excited.
Now we'll get
Ready?
them out.
So get the first toy out. Let's see what the reaction is. And what we got here. Jace, what is it?
We have a squeaky toy.
That's it.
Come in.
He likes that one. What do you think, Ralph? Impressed? As you can see, there's quite a bit of interest in this toy. Elmo's not sure. Ralph! Well, Ralph's also got his new jumper on, which came from eBay today. And so he likes that toy. He's off. Well, what we'll have to do now is see if Elmo likes the other toy, because Ralph's run off. Ready? So we've got a squeaky. What is it, Para? That
Tire.
squeaky tire. It looks quite tough. So is it bulldog? Is it bulldog proof, Para? Is it bulldog proof?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see what. Oh, it's Boston Terrier. Ralph's back. He's having a look at that one. Well, Elmo's not too sure, look. Romeo's having a look, wondering what's going on. Yeah. So it looks like the squeaking's getting him. Well, he seems to like the starfish the best. No, he's not sure. He's having a go with both. Elmo! What do you think? Oh, he's having a little play. He's got it, yeah!
That's a good.
Well, the toys seem to be impressed with the toys, so we'll leave them playing now. We got anything to say, guys, before we go?
Thank you for watching the video. Like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching this content. Bye.
Bye.